Hello everybody, this is Mischa Heemskerk. I'm participating in the Punta Ala A-Cat World Championships 2015. So far we have had great weather and we have so much fun sailing these A-Cats. We're foiling, we're pushing it to the limit. I'm battling it out with Ashby. As you all know, he's a true legend.
The racing between Mischa and I has always been great. I mean, he's a big, strong lad, and his skill set is really well suited to A-Class. He's put a huge amount of effort in over the last few months with his training program and development program, and I'm thoroughly enjoying the racing with him. He's a good mate and has been for a long time, and he obviously works very closely with Holland Composites and the guys at DNA, and we're really looking forward to some fantastic racing over the next couple of days. I'm not going to hand it to him on a silver tray, that's for sure.